Welcome to another valuable how-to video. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean up your projects and keep them clutter-free without deleting your valuable data. So in this case, I created a project called Last Week's Sale, and we still have our 123 Middlefield Lane that you see in other projects. And let's imagine that this last week's sale has a bunch of items. It'll serve its purpose right now. I had a whole bunch of projects and I'm done with this last week's sale. And I might be tempted to delete it, but I shouldn't because that's my data and that data can be really useful going forward. And it doesn't cost me anything to keep it where it is. So we want that data in our account and we don't want to delete it. So here we are in the project. And imagine that we have a whole bunch of items in here and we just want to get this out of the way because we've got other new sales to set up and run. We want to keep that clean for everybody. So we're just going to hit open on the projects and we can tap archive. Now, before I do that, here on details, you can see that the project status is active. So in active project status, it's going to show up in your project's carousel. You can just tap on active and decide to archive it. So instead of deleting the project, all of that great stuff will be gone forever. Instead, you can just simply archive it here or from the menu button up at the top. So we'll hit archive and show off. Now this has a nice little badge saying archived, and you can now leave this project and it's no longer there. If you tap on the magnifying glass at the top, you'll see the projects finder. And here we can, if you had a whole lot of projects, it's a pretty good way of finding them. And you can also tap on date and that will pull up your filters. Now, in this case, fairly simple filter. You can filter on date and name, up or down, and you can show archived. So now there it is. There's your archived project back from the dead. And you can go in and see everything that was in there. You can also open it up and tap on the archive button right there at the top and unarchive it. If you want to bring it back to life, you can unarchive it from details. I think you can even unarchive it from menu. And all three of those things will do the same thing. It will unarchive this project. And if you don't want to do that, you can go back and there it is. It's nice and clean as a whistle. No archived projects until you choose to see them again. And that is archiving projects in Valuable. Unless you want that data to go away forever, probably archiving is your better choice. Now, if you do want to delete a project, you can. Go into your project, tap on the menu button at the top right, and you can see delete right there at the bottom of the screen, and you can delete that project and it'll go away. But for now, we're going to keep it because I'm sure it'll be useful in other videos.